Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Today we will learn English, our continue exercises. So, children, before we will start our lessons, our exercises, I request you all please open your English textbook, page number 37. So, here you will see on page number 37, exercise number 3. So, children, I will read these sentences for you, and here I have mentioned the sentences answers also. This is the fill in the blanks. So this exercise you have to write only in the textbook. So let's read. Number 3, fill in the blanks with prepositions such as to, at, of, on, in, into, with. One has been done for you. So here you can see in the textbook one first number already is done for you. So we will write another's answers. So number 1, this tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. Number 2, he noticed the creeper at the foot of the tree. 3, it would be a pity to destroy it now. 4, as they flew off the tree, they were trapped. 5, the boy ran with the dog. 6, the frogs jumped into the well. Next, the girl was thrilled to see her new bicycle. 8, the birds were caught in the net. 9, the children walked on the bridge. So children, I request you all to pause this video, or you can write afterwards also these answers in your textbook. So kindly write in the textbook work with pencil. Next page, I request you turn the page. Question number 4. Complete the paragraph with suitable words from the box. So here you can see in the textbook we are having the box. So I will read this paragraph for you, and I have mentioned the answers also here on the screen you can see. So this way you have to write. One day, as I was walking along the bank of the river, I saw my friend running into the field. He was calling my name and waving to me. I stopped and waited. After some time, he reached where I was standing. He said, I went all around the town looking for you. I have some exciting news to share with you. Do you remember the old house next to me, the neem tree? Guess who is moving into that house? Janak Das, the great magician. Now we can learn lots of magic tricks from him. So children, these answers you can write afterwards, and if you don't want to write from the videos, I will send you PDF file also, so that also you can open and you can write it. So this exercise question 4 also you have to write only in the textbook. Next we will see question 5. Fill in the blanks given below with question words. For example, where do you live? So here these sentences we have to write the WH questions. So whichever will be suitable, that we have to write. Number 1, when do you play? Number 2, what time do you get up? Now here children, what time, this time also you have to write here, because in the sentence time is not written. So when you are writing what, with that you have to write time also. What time do you get up? Number 3, what do you have for breakfast? 4, when do you go to school? 5, what do you like best in the school, games, art or music? 6, when is your birthday? 7, what do you want for your birthday? So children, this question 3, 4 and 5 you have to write only in the textbook with pencil. Now you will see on page number 39 we are having here two sentences in a cloud, as I have put on the screen also. That question 6 reference to context. So first sentence is there, well, there's no hurry, the creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. So here and another second number is there. So this is where the wild geese live. So these two sentences, who said this, to whom was it said, and when was it said, these answers we have to write. So I have put here the answer. So first number answer, who said this. So in the first number I have written here who said this, then one number I have written, that is the first sentence, and two number I have written, that is the second sentence. So first number, first sentence is said by the geese. So answer this way you have to write, the geese said this. Number 2, second number answer, so this is where the wild geese live. So this sentence spoke by the hunter. So you have to write, the hunter said this. Now next question we have, to whom was it said. So this both sentence, to whom said. So in that first number answer is there, the wise bird. So first number sentence said to the wise bird, and the second sentence said to the hunter himself. Next question, when was it said. So first sentence, when it was said, before hunter came to catch them, and second number when it said, when the hunter came to the forest. So as I have mentioned on the screen, that way only you have to write on the in the textbook, sorry, notebook. So only question 6 you have to write in a notebook. Before writing you have to first write these both sentences, and then this way you have to write. So now we are having one more question, draw pictures of the speakers of the above lines. So these both sentence you have to find out that first and second sentence, who spoke, by whom spoken. So that picture you have to draw. You can get the space also in the textbook. There small picture you can draw by pencil. Okay, now we are having here homework. You have to write question 3, 4 and 5 only in the textbook, and this question 6 you have to write with both sentences as I have mentioned before the slide. That way you have to copy in the CW. So only question 6 you have to write in CW, first 3 questions. No need to draw in the CW. Drawing you have to do only in the textbook with pencil. So I hope you understand. Keep your study well and learn these all exercises nicely. Thank you.